Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some easy and effective ways to lower your blood pressure. You know me, I'm all about giving you the tools to take control of your health. And that starts with understanding the incredible power of the foods you put in your body. We're talking about potassium, a mighty mineral that plays a critical role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Think of potassium as the balancing force against sodium, which we all know can be a culprit in raising blood pressure. Throughout this video, we'll explore practical ways to increase your potassium intake and fortify your heart health. From delicious foods packed with this essential nutrient to simple lifestyle adjustments, you'll be empowered to make heart-healthy choices every day. So, why is potassium so crucial for your heart? Well, let's break it down. Potassium acts like a natural balancing agent against sodium in our bodies. You see, when we consume too much sodium, it can cause our bodies to retain water. This excess fluid puts extra pressure on our blood vessels, leading to, you guessed it, high blood pressure. Here's where potassium swoops in like a superhero. Potassium helps our kidneys flush out excess sodium, reducing that pressure on our blood vessels. It's like a natural diuretic, helping our bodies maintain a healthy fluid balance. But that's not all. Potassium also works directly to relax the walls of our blood vessels. Think of it like this. Imagine your blood vessels are like tight rubber bands. Potassium helps to loosen them up, allowing blood to flow more easily and reducing the strain on your heart. This 1-2 punch of flushing out excess sodium and relaxing blood vessels makes potassium a true champion for heart health. And the best part? It's abundant in so many delicious foods. Now, as we're boosting our potassium intake, it's equally important to keep an eye on its arch nemesis sodium. We're talking about taming the salt monster, my friends. Sodium, found abundantly in table salt and processed foods, has the opposite effect of potassium on our bodies. Remember how potassium helps flush out excess fluid? Well, sodium does the opposite. It makes our bodies hold on to water. This increased fluid volume means our hearts have to work harder to pump blood throughout our bodies, putting extra strain on our arteries and raising our blood pressure. Now, I'm not saying you have to banish salt from your life completely. A pinch here and there can enhance the flavor of our food, but the key is moderation, my friends. Start by reading food labels carefully and choosing options lower in sodium. Be mindful of hidden sources of salt in restaurant meals and processed snacks. Are you ready to unleash the power of nature's most vibrant foods? Fruits and vegetables are your secret weapon for boosting potassium and lowering your blood pressure. From leafy greens like spinach and kale to vibrant bell peppers and juicy tomatoes, these nutritional powerhouses are bursting with potassium. And let's not forget the incredible variety of fruits: bananas, avocados, oranges, strawberries, the list goes on. But it's not just about potassium. Fruits and vegetables are also loaded with fiber, which helps regulate digestion and can contribute to lower cholesterol levels, further benefiting your heart health. And let's not forget about the antioxidants. These powerful compounds fight off harmful free radicals in our bodies, protecting our cells from damage and reducing inflammation. So, how can you incorporate more of these heart-healthy heroes into your diet? Aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables each day. Now, let's talk about another powerful tool in our heart-healthy arsenal: exercise. Getting your body moving regularly is like giving your heart a workout, making it stronger and more efficient. When you engage in physical activity, your heart muscles become stronger, just like any other muscle in your body. This increased strength allows your heart to pump more blood with each beat, meaning it doesn't have to work as hard to circulate blood throughout your body. Regular exercise also helps lower your blood pressure by improving the function of your blood vessels. Remember how we talked about potassium relaxing those blood vessels? Well, exercise enhances that effect, allowing blood to flow more smoothly. And here's an added bonus. Exercise helps reduce stress, which can also contribute to high blood pressure. When you engage in physical activity, your body releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that have natural stress-busting effects. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite social lubricant: alcohol. While a glass of red wine with dinner can be enjoyed in moderation, it's important to understand the impact alcohol can have on our blood pressure. You see, when we drink alcohol, it initially causes our blood vessels to relax, which might seem like a good thing. But here's the catch. This effect is temporary. As our bodies metabolize the alcohol, it actually causes our blood vessels to constrict, meaning they narrow. This constriction makes it harder for blood to flow through our arteries, leading to an increase in blood pressure. Now, I understand that many people enjoy a drink from time to time, and that's perfectly fine. The key here is moderation. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation. For men, that means no more than 2 drinks per day, and for women, it's no more than 1 drink per day. Thanks for watching. Remember, taking control of your heart health starts with making simple, sustainable changes in your daily life. By boosting your potassium intake, reducing sodium, and embracing a healthy lifestyle, you can make a world of difference for your heart. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and take care.